Kia's Lane Following Assist increases driving safety by ensuring that your vehicle travels in the centre of the marked lane at all times. The system uses a front view camera to monitor the vehicle's position on the road, but rather than reacting as the vehicle starts to depart the lane, it will provide steering input to maintain the vehicle in the middle of the lane. As a result, it will operate from very low speeds. In the absence of clear lane markings, if the camera has detected a vehicle ahead, Lane Following Assist will align your position based on that detected vehicle. When active, the steering wheel icon will illuminate on the cluster in green. Kia lane monitoring systems are a driver safety aid, not an autopilot. And as such, if you remove your hands from the steering wheel, the car will give you both an audible and graphic warning. If you ignore this warning, the safety system will deactivate. The highly advanced Lane Following Assist, part of Kia's active safety technology.